You know, all I gotta do is string an antenna every once in a while. I mean,
Yeah.
I can. My cell phone works just fine in all the Seattle tunnels. You know,
Is that because they do have antennas in there?
either that or they got them located just right. Somehow they figure these things out. Hey, Tristan! Is he gonna blow the horn? Tristan's really sound
Oh, he
sensitive.
will.
Cover your ears, bud.
If there's a kid. If there's no kid, he won't blow the horn.
Just for
I was standing here one
guys
time,
like you and me. Or...
and the guy threw a wad of paper at me, and it was their schedule. Yeah, so I know
so
what
nice.
they were doing.
Okay, what is it? ES44? Is that their cleanest type diesel now? God, that's freaking bright. It's not going very fast.
I think it's 20 miles an hour, 20, 25. From the other direction too, they have a green light, and it's for carbon monoxide. So when they're stopped over here, coming this way, they have to wait for the tunnel to clear of the carbon dioxide sensor.
You know,